We don't just build trains. We build trust. We build safety. We build the future of travel.
Every single wire is important for safe operation.
Washrooms are installed for long journeys.
This train weighs more than 1,000 tons.
But the biggest danger is not its weight. It's this.
We pushed it to its limits, and it never broke.
There are over 20,000 bolts just like this in this train.
This tiny part helps control this giant machine.
Today, I will show you how a real train is made.
This factory works like a small city.
This laser can cut steel like butter.
If this weld fails, the train fails.
But how does raw steel become a moving train? This process takes months of hard work. Sveriges Sökvarträtten can use police and train. Thousands of people work on one train. This welding gives strength. This is the main base. Det är därför alltid att bara lägga dashen trying shots.
Wheels ready for speed.
These parts are very heavy. Det är en extra dash som ger strength. Legend rules. And in temperature raise the equalizer like says going into your Safety is the top rule. One small error here can risk many human lives outside the factory.
And this is only the beginning of the train manufacturing process.
This part is called the chassis, and it supports the full weight of the train.
Strong bolts are tightened carefully to keep every part fixed together. Strong bolts are tightened carefully to keep every part fixed together. Perfect alignment is checked to make sure the train moves straight on tracks.
Each welded joint is inspected again and again for safety.
No weak point is allowed anywhere in the train body. Now the wheels are brought here for installation under the train.
These wheels are made from special steel for extreme pressure.
The axle connects the wheels and carries the full load.
This suspension system reduces shock during high-speed travel. Now the braking system is installed for speed control.
Emergency brakes are tested for sudden stopping situations.
Engineers inspect every detail before moving forward. This is the main engine that provides power to the train. The lower body of the train is now complete. Right, built your spatial sits at rousing one today. Some trains use diesel engines for long distance travel. All underbody parts are locked tightly and secured. All underbody parts are locked tightly and secured.
The engine is carefully placed inside the train body.
Other trains use electric motors for cleaner energy.
These cables transfer power to different systems. This control panel manages speed and performance. Sensors monitor temperature, speed, and safety conditions. The cooling system prevents engine overheating. This fuel system is sealed to avoid leaks. Every single wire is important for safe operation. This is the driver's cabin where the train is controlled. Screens here show speed, signals, and warnings.
All buttons are placed for easy use. Emergency switches are added for critical situations.
Power system is now fully ready.
Now the train enters the painting chamber. Anti-rust paint protects the train from damage.
The paint is dried slowly for long life. Next, work begins inside the train. The outer body of the train looks complete now. Passenger seats are installed carefully. Lights are fixed for clear visibility. The air system keeps passengers cool. Washrooms are installed for long journeys. Handrails are added for passenger safety. Strong flooring is fixed inside the train.
Doors are tested again and again.
Windows are sealed to stop air and noise.
Interior comfort is checked carefully. The interior work is now complete.
Now the train goes through strict testing.
Vibration tests check strength and balance. Rain tests ensure water cannot enter.
Emergency braking tests are performed.
The train is officially approved. The train moves out of the factory. It is now ready for service. This journey started from raw steel.
Months of hard work made this possible.
This is how a real train is made.